Let's go! Click text and type what you want, but I choose B for number 3. Resize your text. Right-click. Create outline. Change colors. Ungroup your text. Delete inside outline. Make a circle. Make copy with Press Alt. Use Blend tool. Double-click on Blend tool. Released compound path. Select all. Click Object. Click Blend and replace spine. Click Window and open Appearance. Click X. Click Roughen. Setting is your choice. It's done. You know I choose B text for number 3. You will see the result.